Hi Bellas! Janelle and Alex here for your March unboxing.
So our theme this month is Runway Ready. This box is packed with face, hair and body products. It's your one-way ticket to first class supermodel beauty. Now let's get started with the products that you will all be receiving. Now just a quick reminder before we do get started that we will go through the products and we'll let you know which products everyone will get, and then there'll be some products that some of you will get. So if you don't get one thing, you'll get the other.
Yes.
You always get 5+ beauty items in your box. It's just a surprise as to what.
Yeah. So the first product that everyone will be receiving, and you guys would have seen it all over our socials through our sneak peek, is from Bang Beauty, and it is their brow cream. These are super great because we all know that sculpted and tidy brows are a great way to look really put together. These are in a pomade texture, so it'll be budge proof, and it also comes with a brush so that it makes filling in your brows that much easier. It comes in 3 colors. There's auburn, milk chocolate, and dark brown.
We're wearing dark brown.
Yes. So we hope you love this, and a tutorial on how to properly do your brows is coming shortly, so keep an eye out on our socials.
Bang Beauty is cruelty free as well.
Yes.
Which we love. So the next product I have for you guys is one that you will all be receiving. It is from Acqua di Parma, their Blue Mediterraneano range, and it is Chinotto D Liguria. So it is the sample size of that one. Tapping into the current androgynous mood, I think there's a lot of really amazing fragrances out there at the moment that are androgynous and aren't just for girls necessarily or just for boys necessarily. They're kind of everyone. So this definitely taps into that huge trend that is going on in the perfume and fragrance industry. It's an Italian inspired scent, so it'll have you feeling all of those summer feels. It's got notes of bitter Chinotto, mandarin, jasmine and geranium as well. So really looking forward to hearing what you guys think of this one.
The next product that everyone will be receiving is from our friends at Palmolive. We love switching it up here at Bellabox and mixing up all the products that you guys will be receiving, so we decided to include this hand sanitizer in lemon and white citrus. So this is great, especially if you're traveling. It kills 99.9% of germs. It also is enriched with light moisturizer, so it won't be drying up your hands. It's non-sticky, so it's a perfect way to freshen up on the go.
Perfect to keep in your bag when you're feeling a little bit gross.
Yes, perfect.
So the next product I have for you guys is from a brand that we haven't sampled before, so really exciting to be bringing them to you guys. It's from Skin Vitals. So Skin Vitals are sheet masks, but they are definitely sheet masks with a difference. There would be nothing like you've ever tried before. They're packed with powerful active ingredients, and we're sampling 3 heavenly masks. So this is the Glow, this is the Quench, and this is the Light. So the key thing about these masks to note is they're a two-step process. So each mask consists of a first step, which is an anti-aging boosting serum, which you put on first of all, followed by a sheet mask that provides immediate solutions, and these 15-minute miracles give you a serious pep in your step. So they're available on their website, Skin Vitals, and they have all the instructions on the back in terms of how to use it and what to do. So really looking forward to seeing all your sheet mask selfies.
Yes, it's such cute packaging as well.
Yeah.
The next product that some of you will be receiving is from Voo, and it is their Micellar cleansing wipes. This one is enriched with witch hazel, so it will really help unclog your pores and prevent makeup. It's great for freshening up throughout the day, or even just to take off your makeup, wipe off all the oil. It'll leave your skin feeling super smooth and refreshed. It's 25 wipes as well, so it's pretty handy.
So substantial.
Yes.
I love wipes that are infused with micellar water. It just makes life so much easier.
Yeah, definitely.
So the next product I have for you, and some of you who won't be receiving the Skin Vitals mask will most likely be receiving this mask, are from Lumiere. So we have 2 Biocellulose masks. One is repair, one is anti-aging. The Biocellulose mask, and it's made from natural fibers, so 0 nasties. And what you basically do to use this is unfold the mask. There's 3 layers. One of them, 2 of them are not for your face, and the middle one is. So make sure you take the netting off and put the mask on your face after cleansing. Smooth out to enjoy a 15 to 30 minute relaxation for smooth, supple, glowing skin.
Yes, perfect for those pamper nights.
Yes.
The next product that some of you will be receiving is from Micellar, and it is their nail polish. These are really great because it's not only cruelty-free, but it's also toxic-free, so you don't have to worry about damaging your nails when you're a serious painter of your nails, because we all love it. Look at Alex over here. They're sampling their classic colors, and a lot of them are their best sellers, so we're super excited for you guys to try these out.
Yeah. So the next ones I have for you are from our good friends at La Roche-Posay, and for those of you who haven't tried these before, now is your opportunity. So first of all, we have the Toleraine Caring Wash. Now the Caring Wash is an ultra gentle soap-free wash for normal to dry skin, but really anyone can use it, perfect for sensitive skin as well. Removes makeup without causing irritation, and it's as I said, it's a non-drying formula which really repairs and soothes and gets rid of all of your makeup. So there's this one, and then the next one is one of my favorite products from La Roche-Posay. It is their Cero Zinc spray. Now it can be a little bit confusing to know what this does, because it's not just your average water spray. This has zinc sulfate in it. Now zinc is awesome because what it does is it controls the buildup of sebum oil on your face, so reduces that shininess look, reduces the opportunity for pimples to get too crazy. So it's really soothing, purifying, and mattifying as well. Use it on the go, use it in the morning, set your makeup with it, prime your face with it. There are so many uses for this. I encourage you to look it up on the internet as well, because it's really it's a great all-rounder.
Yes. Now the last product that some of you will be receiving is from the hair gurus at Tony and Guy, and they're sampling with us this month a variety of hair accessories. So whether you want to glam up your outfit or if you just want everyday essentials, there's something here for you. These ones specifically are super cute, because metallic is all the rage right now. And these clips as well, you would have seen them all over the runway, and it's just super trendy. So we know that you guys will love this, and we haven't sampled hair accessories in a while, so let us know what you think of this.
Yeah, something different. I love these thick ones because they don't make your hair kinky when you take them out, which is good. So you can kind of have that sleek look and have it up.
Awesome. Now for the bonus.
The bonus, our last one. So this one is from Palmolive. It's the body moisturizer with rose and macadamia oil. This is perfect to penetrate and rejuvenate your skin. It is very uplifting with rose and macadamia oil in, as I said. So this really hydrates and smooths dry, lackluster skin. So really excited to hear what you guys think of all the products that we've gone through today. Let us know what you want us to do tutorials on. As we said, that the one for Bang Beauty Brows is coming soon, but if there's anything else you want to know, just ask us.
That wraps up our March unboxing, guys.
See you next time. Bye.